In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to seamlessly import data into HubSpot. If you've got a spreadsheet of information you're ready to bring into your CRM, this walkthrough will help you do it cleanly and confidently, without guesswork or surprises. Start by opening HubSpot and using the search bar at the top left. Type Import, then click the Import option that appears. This is the quickest way to jump straight to HubSpot's importing tool, which centralizes everything you need for bringing in spreadsheets. On the import screen, choose Import a File, then click Start Import. This begins HubSpot's guided process. Before you move on, a quick tip. Make sure your file is tidy. Remove blank columns, keep one header row, and save it as a CSV or XLSX. Clear headers make everything that follows much smoother. Next, tell HubSpot what kind of data is in your file. Select the type that matches your spreadsheet, such as contacts, companies, deals, orders, or shopping carts. Picking the correct object is important because it determines which properties are available and how HubSpot will store your records. If you're just starting out, it's often easiest to import one object type per file so you can verify the results clearly. Now upload your file. During this step, choose the language of your column headers so HubSpot can auto-detect them accurately. You'll also choose how you want the import to behave, create new records, update existing ones, or both. If you're updating existing records, make sure your file includes a unique identifier like email for contacts or company domain for companies, so HubSpot can match rows to the right records. HubSpot will then show you the mapping screen. Here, you'll connect each column in your spreadsheet to a HubSpot property. HubSpot will attempt to map common fields automatically, but it's important to review each one. Confirm that names, emails, phone numbers, company domains, deal amounts, and close dates are mapped to the correct properties. Watch date formats and number formats so they import correctly. If a column doesn't have a match, you can choose a different property or skip that column if it isn't needed. When everything looks right, finalize the setup and click Import. HubSpot will process your file, and depending on its size, this can take a few moments. After it finishes, you'll see a summary so you can confirm everything landed as expected and address any rows that might need attention. And that's all. You've seamlessly imported your data into HubSpot and set yourself up for cleaner reporting, smoother automation, and better visibility.